Today, we mourn the tragic loss of Khyree Jackson, a promising young talent from the Minnesota Vikings. At just 24 years old, Kyree's life was abruptly cut short in a devastating car accident in Prince George's County, Maryland. Early Saturday morning, Khyree and two other young men, Isaiah Hazel, 23, and Anthony Litton Jr., 24, were involved in a multi-vehicle crash. All three, tragically, did not survive. These men, bonded by their shared history as high school football teammates in Upper Marlboro, leave behind grieving families, friends, and a shaken community. The Minnesota Vikings released a heartfelt statement, expressing their devastation over Kyree's passing. The team emphasized their commitment to supporting Kyree's family and the wider Vikings community during this difficult time. Counseling services have been made available for players, coaches, and staff who are struggling with the news. Khyree Jackson's journey to the NFL was nothing short of inspiring. After starting his college career in junior college in 2019, Khyree went on to play for Alabama before finishing at Oregon. Last season, he was named a first-team All-Pac-12 selection after recording 3 interceptions, an impressive feat that showcased his immense talent and potential. Chosen by the Vikings in the 4th round of the NFL draft this past spring, Khyree was on the cusp of a breakout season. He was in the running for a starting cornerback position at the Vikings' upcoming training camp. His future was bright, filled with promise and potential. But beyond his athletic prowess, Khyree was known for his character, his dedication, and his unwavering spirit. He was more than just a football player. He was a beloved son, a cherished friend, and a respected teammate. His loss is felt deeply, not only within the Vikings organization, but across the entire football community. As we reflect on Kyree's life, we're reminded of the fragility of our own. Let's take this moment to honor his memory, to support those who are grieving, and to cherish the time we have with our loved ones. Rest in peace, Khyree Jackson. Your legacy will live on in the hearts of those who knew you, and your spirit will forever be a part of the game you loved. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to leave a message for Kyree's family or share your thoughts, please do so in the comments below. And remember, life is precious. Hold your loved ones close. Until next time, take care.